Welcome to Tech Solution.
Change my D-Link router's password. Open your internet browser and enter http://dlinkrouter.local or http://192.168.0.1 into the address bar. Enter the password for your admin account in the field provided. If you have not changed this password from the default, leave the field blank. Click Login. Locate the wireless settings from the drop-down menus. In the password field, specify the new wireless password for the desired wireless band. Your wireless devices will need this password in order to access your wireless network. This may require you to update your wireless device's configuration. Click Save to save your configuration. Click on the Settings tab and follow the login procedure for your MidLink account. If you do not have an existing MidLink account, then you can sign up here and take advantage of the MidLink cloud service features.
Thanks for watching.